Aloha, I'm Chef Michi and welcome to KTA Kitchens. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Michi's Waldorf salad. This is a great salad. It's got just a little bit of everything. I'm going to start off with cutting up the romaine lettuce. And what I like to tell everyone when they're learning how to cut lettuce is just to cut it into bite-sized pieces so that when you're eating the salad you're not having lettuce hang out of your mouth. I'm just going to cut a little bit of this up. And looks do matter. I like to use an attractive bowl whenever I'm cooking, especially if it's for friends. And I like to use a locally grown watercress. It's just super fresh. And this adds a little bit of a bitter note to the salad. If you're familiar with watercress, so it's got a little bite to it. It's a little peppery, but it just adds a nice note to the salad. Just cut that up. It's a really easy, fast salad to make, and all of your friends will just love this. For the caramelized walnuts, what you're going to want to do ahead of time is in a pan, you can just toss these together. Get the walnuts and some of the maple syrup. And the brown sugar. Then you just toss these together, you put it into the oven, and before you know it, they're going to come out all nice, and voila, your caramelized walnuts. Just add that to the salad. We're going to put some yummy Fuji apples, your dried cranberries, and finish it off with that lovely gorgonzola cheese. This adds a really salty note to the salad. It's beautiful already, but what you want to do to finish off the dressing is just you add the balsamic vinegar to your prepared ranch dressing. You just mix that in together with a spoon. And you want to make sure that you don't overdress your salad. You're just going to put a little bit of it at a time, toss it, and then the final will be to add some grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it. You'll be ready to enjoy.